Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and help you become your higher and better self. You cannot avoid two things in life. You can't avoid your attitude, and you can't avoid the people that you attract as a result of your attitude. So let me explain. Have you ever thought about, the last time you walked into a room, could be with family or with friends, and who you gravitated towards or who gravitated towards you? You always meet and greet people that you associate with. There's something that you can relate on. And that's because attitude is working for you. And let me tell you how that works. You see, your attitude is a combination of things. Your attitude is a combination of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. That's everything, isn't it? I mean, if you think about it, if you have an attitude of gratitude and appreciation, and you're looking for opportunities for appreciation, you're going to attract them. There's no question about it. I've seen people come in the room, they light up the room. They have a smile on their face, their head is high, they have a great attitude, and you can tell that. And I gravitate towards those people. I don't know about you, but you want to have that kind of experience in your life. You want to have that kind of presence, because that's going to be read in your energy field. People will read your energy field before they hear you speak. They will know what your attitude is just by your body language. I remember when I was working for my father and mother, we had a butcher shop and a grocery store, and so we had meat counters, and I was serving people. And I remember what it was like when I was behind the counter. I would watch people come in. I would watch their body language. I would see how they were holding their head and their face and their expressions. And I would know whether to be nice and friendly or just calm and gentle. And I would either start off with, "Hi, how are you today?" Or it could be like, "Hi, how are you doing today?" Different tone, different personalities. Why? Because I knew what their attitude was. I could tell. And after a while, I got really good at it. And so then I would associate with them at their level. Why? Well, because they're coming in to buy something. I want to give them the best experience. So their attitude was right there in their energy field. I didn't have to ask them anything. I could tell how to associate and communicate with them. So the point that I'm making here is that you can have an attitude of gratitude and appreciation and look for opportunities to celebrate your life, and that's going to cause different things to happen for you. You're going to attract certain people and certain opportunities, and that makes a difference, because if your attitude is your thoughts, feelings, and actions, it's your personality. It's everything. And if you think about it, and you look at your life and you realize the kind of people that you have in your life, that's a reflection of what's going on. You will attract the kinds of people that associate with you and your attitude, definitely. And they will superimpose or they will exacerbate your attitude. They'll help you expand that attitude, good or bad, and they'll help expand it. If you're constantly blaming, complaining, and being a victim, guess what? You'll attract people that do the same, and they'll be like, "Oh yeah, you think that's bad?" And they'll tell you their story. So think about it. Your attitude, how that can make a huge difference in your life when you go around talking and looking at the world a little bit differently. We have this potential. That's why we're different from these animals around us. We have a consciousness, and we can think, and we can reason. So reason better, and check out your attitude. And remember to help eradicate mental blindness disease and think differently and do different things today. And as always, thanks for watching, and check out my other videos on YouTube. Speak soon.